Ever wondered how intelligent a computer could really become? We're living in a world where AI is exploding, changing everything from how we work to how we connect. And at the heart of this revolution is Gemini, Google's latest and most ambitious AI model. But the big question is, just how successful is Gemini? That's what we're diving into today. We're not just going to scratch the surface. We're going to unpack Gemini's capabilities, explore its strengths and weaknesses, and compare it to the competition. We'll look at the real-world impact it's having and try to answer that crucial question: is Gemini living up to the hype? First, let's set the stage. Artificial intelligence has been around for decades, but it's only in the last few years that we've seen truly groundbreaking advancements. Models like Gemini are built on something called deep learning, which allows them to process massive amounts of data and learn complex patterns. This is what enables them to do things that were once considered science fiction, like understanding natural language, generating creative content, and even writing code. Gemini isn't just one thing. It's a family of models, each designed for different tasks and levels of complexity. Think of it like a toolbox, with different tools for different jobs. There's Gemini Nano, designed for on-device tasks, perfect for your phone. Then there's Gemini Pro, a powerful model for a wide range of applications. And at the very top, there's Gemini Ultra, the most capable and largest model, designed for the most challenging and complex tasks. So, what can Gemini actually do? Well, let's start with language. Gemini is incredibly adept at understanding and generating human language. It can translate between languages, summarize long articles, and even write different kinds of creative content, from poems to scripts to emails. Imagine having a personal assistant who can instantly translate anything you need, or a writing partner who can help you brainstorm ideas. That's the power of Gemini's language capabilities. But it goes beyond just words. Gemini is also multimodal, which means it can understand and process different types of information, including images, audio, and video. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities. Imagine being able to describe a picture to Gemini and have it understand exactly what you're talking about, or asking it to summarize a video for you. This multimodal capability is one of Gemini's biggest strengths and sets it apart from many other AI models. Now, let's talk about coding. Gemini is also a highly skilled coder. It can generate code in multiple programming languages, debug existing code, and even explain how code works. This is a game changer for developers, as it can significantly speed up the coding process and make it easier to build complex applications. Imagine being able to ask Gemini to write a specific function for you, or to help you troubleshoot a tricky bug. This kind of AI assistance can revolutionize software development. But how does Gemini stack up against the competition? That's the million-dollar question. The AI field is incredibly competitive, with new models and advancements being announced all the time. Models like GPT-4 have set a high bar for language understanding and generation. So, where does Gemini fit in? From what we've seen so far, Gemini is a serious contender. Its multimodal capabilities give it a distinct advantage in many areas. And its performance on various benchmarks suggests that it's at the very least competitive with, and in some cases surpasses, other leading AI models. But it's important to remember that this is a rapidly evolving field. What's cutting edge today might be outdated tomorrow. One of the key factors that will determine Gemini's long-term success is its real-world impact. How is it being used by businesses, researchers, and individuals? We're already seeing some exciting applications. Gemini is being used to improve search engines, power chatbots, and create personalized learning experiences. It's also being used in scientific research, helping to analyze complex data and make new discoveries. For example, imagine a doctor using Gemini to analyze a patient's medical history and suggest the best course of treatment. Or a scientist using Gemini to analyze climate data and predict future trends. These are just a few examples of the potential impact that Gemini could have on our lives. Of course, no AI model is perfect. Gemini, like all AI models, has its limitations. It can sometimes make mistakes, and it's not immune to biases in the data it's trained on. These are challenges that the AI community is actively working to address. And it's important to remember that AI is a tool. It's up to us to use it responsibly and ethically. Another crucial aspect of Gemini's success will be its accessibility. How easy is it for developers and users to access and use Gemini's capabilities? Google has made it clear that they're committed to making AI more accessible, and they've already released APIs and tools that allow developers to integrate Gemini into their applications. This is a crucial step in ensuring that Gemini's potential is fully realized. The development and deployment of AI models like Gemini also raise important ethical considerations. How do we ensure that these models are used fairly and responsibly? How do we prevent them from being used to spread misinformation or perpetuate harmful biases? These are questions that we as a society need to grapple with as AI becomes more powerful and pervasive. So, circling back to our original question, how successful is Gemini? The answer, like most things in the world of AI, is complex. Gemini is a powerful and versatile AI model with the potential to revolutionize many different fields. It's already showing impressive results in a variety of tasks, and its multimodal capabilities set it apart from many other AI models. However, the AI field is constantly evolving, and Gemini's long-term success will depend on a number of factors, including its real-world impact, its accessibility, and how we address the ethical considerations surrounding its use. It's still early days, but Gemini is definitely a model to watch. It represents a significant step forward in the quest to build truly intelligent machines, but the journey is far from over. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.